Welcome back, folks, to episode 2 of the Herb Grow series. Today we're putting in 2 types of basil cuttings, sweet basil and Thai basil. Also transplanting our chives, coriander and parsley into the system. So let's get started. It's day 25 and they're looking good. Reservoir temp sitting at 70 degrees, pH 6.6. We're 7 days in on this sweet basil and the roots are incredible. Same with the Thai basil. They're all looking good. It's day 31, outside temp 91, inside temp 79. Reservoir temp 70, pH sitting at 6.6. Things are rolling along just fine. You can also see the root structure, they're taking off. Good times, bad times, hard times. This is a valuable tool to grow your vegetables indoors and feed your family. I am a little worried about the chives because the roots seem to be struggling, but we'll give them more time and see what happens. It's day 34, reservoir temp at 71, pH at 6.4, outside temp 96, inside 79. The sweet basil and the Thai basil are looking good. I have 2 rows of coriander and they're taking off as well. I have 1 row of parsley and 1 row of chives. The chives are the only one that I'm worried about, but we'll keep an eye on those and see what happens. Don't forget, folks, plant seeds of kindness and love will grow. Don't forget to catch episode 3 of the Herb Grow series. Thanks for watching.